The Ingenuity team has identified a software solution for the command sequence issue, identified on Sol 49, or April 9 on Earth time, during a planned high-speed spin-up test of the helicopter's rotors. Over the weekend, the team considered and tested multiple potential solutions to this issue, concluding that minor modification and reinstallation of Ingenuity's flight control software is the most robust path forward. This software update will modify the process by which the two flight controllers boot up, allowing the hardware and software to safely transition to the flight state. Modifications to the flight software are being independently reviewed and validated today and tomorrow in test beds at JPL. While the development of the new software change is straightforward, the process of validating it and completing its uplink to Ingenuity will take some time. A detailed timeline for rescheduling the high-speed spin-up test and first flight is still in process. The process of updating Ingenuity's flight control software will follow established processes for validation with careful and deliberate steps to move the new software through the rover, to the base station and then to the helicopter. Intermediate milestones include: first, diagnose the issue and develop potential solutions. Second, develop or validate and upload software. Third, load flight software onto flight controllers. And finally, boot Ingenuity on new flight software. Ingenuity continues to be healthy on the surface on Mars. Critical functions such as power, communications, and thermal control are stable. It is not unexpected for a technology demonstration like this to encounter challenges that need to be worked in real time. In the meantime, while the Ingenuity team does its work, Perseverance will continue to do science with its suite of instruments and is gearing up for a test of the MOXIE technology demonstration.